This is what the city of New London wanted. This is what they took our homes for, this vast amount of land. You know, this is what the U.S. Supreme Court said, that the city of New London was justified in taking our homes, okay? An empty field. You know, as far as I'm concerned, it's an empty dream.
In the late 1990s, residents of New London's Fort Trumbull neighborhood found out their homes were being taken by the city. The city wanted to transfer the property from the residents to a private development company, and they fought back. The case went before the Supreme Court, which ruled 5-4 in favor of the city.
When I first started this battle, it was about me and my little pink house, but it grew into something much bigger than that.
Kelo and her neighbors' properties were taken through eminent domain.
Eminent domain is the power of government to take someone's property away from them. The Constitution of the U.S. and of every state imposes 2 limits. It has to be for public use, and just compensation must be paid.
We actually really couldn't believe that, that they could take somebody's home away from them to give it to a developer to develop for not a public purpose.
Michael Cristofaro grew up in the Fort Trumbull neighborhood in his parents' home. When they learned the city was trying to take their home, the Cristofaros joined in the fight against the city of New London.
Personally, I had a hard time coming here for 7 years. Right at that third telephone pole with the gray transformer sitting up on top was where the entrance to my family's homestead.
There was 97 acres, I believe. There were, I think, 78 homes. They were all torn down for the redevelopment project that never happened.
Here we are, 2015, 15, 16 years later, no development, nothing.
Eminent domain is used against the people who the government thinks can't fight back. People need to organize in opposition to eminent domain when it occurs.
Now 10 years after the Supreme Court's ruling, the city of New London is still trying to figure out what to do with the land.
My name is Daryl Finizio. I'm the mayor of the city of New London, and I became mayor in 2011. We have not committed the worst sin of eminent domain in the Kelo case until we transfer that property to private development, and that has not happened yet. And if we can find another way forward where we can use traditional public use on those lands, that would certainly be the way that I would want to go and the way I'll advocate for.
More states need to pass stronger laws. The states that haven't passed anything definitely need to pass strong laws. But I do think eventually Kelo will be overturned. The court will have to do more than that to get back to the original meaning of public use.
Many of the old Fort Trumbull residents left New London after their homes were demolished, and the memories of their fight still sting.
I have not been back to the Fort Trumbull neighborhood since I left it. They took our homes by eminent domain. I don't think, I think there's several of us that haven't been back. I mean, it's just a hurtful spot.
Susette's house was, right here in the corner. And actually the stairs used to come right up here and they used to go up. It was a cute house, and she took such wonderful care of it.
Your home is your sanctuary, and it should be protected by the government so you can have your home and live there and have your life, your dreams, your memories.